Hi guys, I'm so excited to be recording this video right here at the Menlo Park. This is at the Meta office and one of the offices, and I'm here just for a tour to learn. I like to invest and trade in the stock market, but Meta is one of those businesses that I have been following and at some point, buying some shares on. And one of the things that I do is I like to learn about the culture, about the place, and to put perspective in terms of, uh, like the business that then produces this. So for those who don't know Meta, it's the company that, runs Facebook, WhatsApp, and Instagram. So in this campus, one thing that I am learning is that, it's a very interesting campus. Like people come, I just had lunch with my friend, and now we are about to head out. But one thing that I learned is that it's a very wonderful place to work. And as a business, for me, what I learned is that they produce something that is value. So when you see, if you go on Facebook and everything that you're doing, you're adding value to this business. So that's something that I look at when I'm investing in business. So I thought I would just share with you guys this summary and just share with you. I'm gonna share some insights as well, some photos that I took, and also things that I have learned on this journey. At the end of the day, I think the most important thing is to invest in businesses that have value. And for me, when I see Meta right now, even I look at the buildings, the people around here, there's value, right? Connection, So I'm connecting you guys to this world where the world is really connected. So make sure I subscribe, make sure you follow me on social media, and you ask any questions about my experience as well. I will be very honest with you guys. I'm so impressed. This is a great business to invest. But again, this is not investment advice. But for me, I want to understand fundamentally how these businesses operate. And for me, coming to these offices, seeing the people here, I was really impressed. I will see you on the next one. Thank you so much.